trying to be more sustainable this year. Accidental environmentalist Julia Grieve joins us on how to make this your greenest year yet. You're doing it yourself by ditching disposables.
Yes, disposables and dirty ingredients.
Okay.
So I'm a bit of a New Year's resolution person. Are you one?
I'm more of a goals.
Okay, I like that. I like that. So if that's one of your goals, doing something as simple as just pick it, I like to call it the double Ds. So I'm gonna ditch disposables and dirty ingredients. And you know what, I gotta toot my own horn here, okay? Because if you don't toot it yourself, no one's doing it for you.
So toot away.
So I wrote a blog post all about this, and it's at well.ca, and you can read about it, my journey, and all the different stuff. So I was pretty excited.
Okay.
Published writer.
So there you go.
There you go, I had to say it.
You should put that in your byline.
Right?
So you're going to start off with things like, okay, a shampoo bar.
Do you love these? Have you gotten into shampoo bars yet?
I haven't tried one yet.
Okay, dude, you got to get into it. Go with the Notice Hair Co. This is one of my favorite. But what I love about them is right away, by just buying the bar, you are eliminating 2 plastic bottles into your life.
Okay.
Right? By buying shampoo or conditioner in a bar, they last forever, so moisturizing. The ingredients are natural. They're vegan. It's a nice little word to look for when you see vegan. You're like, oh, I think I know what that means.
Okay.
And you know, that idea. Same with the syrup there, the serum. This is a vitamin C. It's from 3 Ships, which is one of my favorite Canadian companies. It's actually mushroom drops. Mushrooms, beautiful.
Not that you ingest.
Not that you eat.
For your skin.
But it's all natural. You could eat it. But it's so hydrating, wonderful, great ingredients that you can read and understand. That's what ditching dirty ingredients means.
Yes, all those chemicals.
Can you read it? Can you spell it? Then you can use it.
Okay. And what's this?
Okay, so now the next way to look at this is in a refill world. So a lot of cleaning products, a lot of brands. This is Guest on Earth, which is a wonderful brand. But what they do are, this is like, what do you call it? A non-diluted all-purpose cleaner.
Very concentrated.
Thank you, that's the word I'm looking for.
Okay.
And even if you want to smell that, no toxics, right? And that's not diluted.
It actually smells nice.
Beautiful. So you get this, you put it into your bottle, and you add your own water.
Okay.
Right?
And maybe it's a bottle that you already have.
Exactly. But what you're doing is you're eliminating the disposables.
Okay.
So, right?
Doing that here?
Same with this. This is Attitude Laundry Detergent, my new absolute favorite. But again, refillable. You buy it in the box like this.
Okay.
And then you refill your own jar.
So there's a bag in the box there.
Yes, exactly. And you can use it like that. It's kind of like boxed wine.
Yeah.
But for the laundry room.
But for the laundry room. And this is really cool.
This is
a different kind of sponge.
This is the glamour sponge, Annette. This is the fun one. This is the Dottie Super Scrubber. It is a silicone. It looks beautiful, but what I love about it is that it's antibacterial, odor-free, and you can put it in the dishwasher.
Okay, so it's going to last forever.
Because a lot of times what happens with sponges, they get all that bacteria, they smell, they're gross, they end up in the garbage.
You throw them away.
This is going to last forever. Okay, I got one more D.
Okay, and where do you get all these?
Oh, this is all from well.ca.
Okay.
You can read all about me writing it.
And this is from your own kitchen then?
This is from my own kitchen. Now this is my last D, so it's like a triple D, is DIY. Okay. So I'm going to show you how to DIY your very own dishwasher tabs. Okay. That's the plastics. Yeah. You can make them yourself with, and then one.
And where do you get that from?
Citric acid again, well.ca. They'll deliver it right to you.
Okay.
And then you're going to have a tablespoon of dish soap. That is all you need, Annette. That is it. No plastic, anything. Stir this together like this. You can see it'll start to bubble up and kind of form a little bit.
Okay, yeah.
Right? And then you will put them into an ice cube tray. Okay? Now it starts to rise, right?
Oh, it does.
Right?
So it's got to be one of those ice cube trays that has a little silicone things on the bottom.
Exactly. Thank you. I forgot to mention that part. So you put that in there, and you're just going to form it into the shapes.
Okay.
And you will let that sit.
Can I touch this?
Oh, please get in there.
So it's right. It's like marshmallows.
Exactly.
Okay.
So it's that citric acid in the soap, and then you're going to put it all into an ice cube tray, and you will let that sit for about 6 to 8 hours. Not in the freezer, just on the counter.
Yeah.
And then once it's all like sat, it will harden, and they will come out like this.
Okay.
Like a good cube.
Cool.
And then you pop these into your dishwasher.
Yeah, and no plastic on them.
Right? A lot of dishwasher tabs
doing this.
Oh, dude, these are for you. These are for you.
Well, thank you.
There you go.
Okay, we'll get the recipe and all your links up at chch.com/morninglive. This is
I know, isn't
cool.
it great?
I love this.
I know, I love it.
Watch, I'm going to burn my hands.
It's going to change your life. It's going to change your life. I'm